Hi, I'm Brad from Genii, and I'm here to give you an introduction to some of the fantastic features of the Nokia E5. The Nokia E5 is an incredible business tool. I'll guide you through setting up some of the basics and show you how to personalize your device so you're up and running on your Nokia journey. To begin, let's look at some of the quick keys available to you. To call your voicemail, press and hold the 1 key. To quickly select silent mode, for times when a ringtone is inappropriate, press and hold the control key in the bottom right-hand corner of the device. Press and hold again to reactivate your ringtone. A quick press of the green dial key will show your calling history, including called numbers, calls you have received, and missed calls. A quick press of the red key brings up your phone profiles, where you can select offline to put your phone to flight mode for use on airplanes. Above the red key is your messaging key. A quick press takes you to your messaging folders, and a long press creates a new text message. Now let's take a look at personalizing the home screen of the device. This will help you quickly navigate to the functions you use most. Your E5 is set up with an active home screen with shortcuts at the top of the screen and in a list down the screen. You can personalize these shortcuts by following these steps. Open the menu and select Control Panel, then Settings, General, and Personalization. Select Standby Mode, Mode Settings, and Application Shortcuts. These are the 6 shortcuts across the top of the screen. Here we can click into each shortcut and choose the applications we use most to allow quick access. We will change shortcut 2 to Calculator. Now click back. Scroll to and select Home Screen Applications. Here we can choose what shows on the list on the home screen. You should always keep the first 3 notifications, but can choose what other things you would like quick access to by ticking or unticking the boxes. Once you have made your changes, click OK and then press the red End key to go back to the home screen. You'll see the calculator is now in the shortcut bar, and any changes to the list have been made. However, the E5 also gives you the ability to remove all the shortcuts from the home screen by following these steps. Open the menu and select Control Panel, then Settings, General, and Personalization. Select Standby Mode. Here we click on Home Screen Theme and select Basic. You now have a blank home screen with shortcuts on the left and right selection keys and on the navigation key. If you press up, you open the camera. If you press down, you open your contacts. Pressing left creates a new text message, and pressing right opens your calendar. These shortcuts can be changed by opening the main menu and selecting Control Panel, then Settings, General, and Personalization. Select Standby Mode and Key Shortcuts. You can change the left and right selection keys and the 4 shortcuts on the navigation key by clicking into the shortcut, selecting the application, and clicking OK. Pressing the red End key takes you back to the home screen. Once your home screen is personalized to your preferences, you will have quick access to the things you use most often. The Nokia E5 also lets you do all your communication from the home screen. Simply type the name of the contact you want to communicate with. Ignore the text in the dialing field. You'll see the name appear above this in a separate field. Scroll up to the name and then scroll right to open the list of available actions you can take with this contact. Now let's look at setting up Bluetooth on the Nokia E5. Bluetooth lets you share files with other Bluetooth capable devices, lets you play music through compatible entertainment systems, and importantly, lets you use your phone while driving using hands-free technology. Press the menu key from the main screen. Select Control Panel, then Connectivity. Select Bluetooth. Give your phone a name. Click to turn Bluetooth on and change visibility to Show into All. Using the navigation key, scroll right along the top tabs to the Choose Paired Devices tab. Press Options, select New Paired Device, and your phone will now search for other Bluetooth devices within range. Select the Bluetooth device you want to connect to. Enter the passcode. This is most commonly 1234 or 0000. Or you may be asked to match codes with the device you are trying to connect to. If asked to make connections automatically, select Yes. Your Nokia E5 will now be connected to the device. Press the red end key to go back to the home screen. From here, you can quickly turn Bluetooth off and on by pressing and holding the symbol key next to the spacebar. Please note that Bluetooth is a feature that will consume battery power, so you should turn it off when it's not required. The following instructions will enable you to set up your Exchange email account, giving you access to your email, calendar, and contacts from your work Outlook account. Quickly press the messaging key and select New Mailbox. Click Yes to define Mailbox and click Start. Scroll down and select Mail for Exchange. Here, you need to enter your account details, such as your email address, password, username, and domain. Your IT person should be able to provide these details to you if you don't know them. Click Next. Accept any certificates by clicking Options and choosing Accept Permanently. Enter your server details. Again, your IT team can give you these. Click OK. Choose what content you want to synchronize from your Outlook account and click Next. If you already have data on your phone, choose whether you want to keep or replace it. Your account will now be created and will start synchronizing. This may take some time for the process to complete. Once up and running, you can access your email by clicking on Mail for Exchange in the Messaging folder. And you can change your account settings by opening your inbox and clicking Options, then Settings. Here you can change your account details, what you sync, and how often you sync, letting you have access to your email how and when you need it. That's a quick look at some of the key functions of this device. You're now on your way to discovering even more on your Nokia E5. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become.